friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to talk about how to set theme in our Infinix phone. Guys, you want to set your theme in your Infinix phone, so friends, how can you set theme in your Infinix phone? In this video friends, I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video friends. So and first of all open your phone setting to set your theme. So we will on guys phone setting to set theme, then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see theme and lock screen setting in your Infinix phone. Guys, tap here to set your theme. So guys, click on my theme setting. Friends, you want to on guys your online theme you want to set, you can set from here. So example here, we will click on this theme. So we will apply here to set. So as your theme will set in your Infinix phone. Guys, you can see guys your theme, lock theme and guys home screen theme. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video.